Millions of Americans have at least one tattoo. However, some employers are still a little leery about workers having visible ink. News Channel 5's Ted Cortan explores this hot button issue.
Business is good. I mean, I stay really busy.
Tattoo artist Ashley Foltz says tattooing is becoming ever more mainstream.
I don't think people think about it anymore. If you want to be tattooed, you're going to be tattooed.
And what about the old issue of tattoos in the professional workplace?
As the younger generations become more in charge of corporations, that it's going to kind of fall to the wayside.
And a lot of young corporate climbers are tattooed. A quarter of all adults in their 30s and 32% of 24 to 29-year-olds, according to one recent study.
So many people nowadays have tattoos that it's becoming to the point where it's just almost an everyday occurrence.
Josh Hottinger's having this Japanese arm sleeve done today at 252 Tattoo in Columbia Station, and he has big career dreams.
I think I want to try to become an architect.
It can create a barrier to employment for you.
But employment experts warn, despite the popularity, body art can still be a problem.
A tattoo, a piercing, whatever it is, if it's distracting the interviewer, then they're not going to get to learn who you are and why you might be a good hire for them.
What's more, all employees should also be aware of this fact.
There are different grooming and dress codes, and grooming and dress codes are completely legal.
You can't walk into an office that way. So I have on a full business suit.
Renee Jennings kept her 6 tattoos covered while she was interviewing. But once she was secure in her new position, her jacket came off.
I think that when I begin to speak and I begin to communicate with people, they understand that I'm more than just tattoos.
Renee's boss says job performance is all that matters to her.
She does her job well. She promotes the company well. She does everything above and beyond what you would normally expect.
And that's needle music to the ears of tattoo enthusiasts.
I don't think having a tattoo is going to affect how I work or what I do with my work.
You'd like to hope that everybody's becoming a little bit more accepting of everybody in general.
On your side in Columbia Station, I'm Ted Cortan, News Channel 5.
All right, so how do you feel about tattoos? We've gotten mixed opinions on our Facebook page. Franklin writes, I wouldn't hire anyone who disrespects themselves that much. And Mark says, nothing in this world is important enough to ruin my body for. But Loretta says, tattoos are like stained glass windows to the temple body. Everyone should have at least one stained glass window. Share your thoughts at facebook.com/WEWS5.